Come on,
All
Kathryn.
right.
Let's see what you got, girl.
All right, we're so excited to be here. Thank you so much for having us. I'm here with my partner today, Nola. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
And we're from
right,
CSU
hi.
Spur. CSU
Spur.
Yeah, exactly. And what CSU
Bones.
We're making bones today, and the reason is because the first building that's going to open at CSU Spur is going to be the Vida building, which is the animal health building. We're going to be able to take animals to the doctor, like dogs and cats, and who else?
Horses.
And horses. That's right. Thanks, Nola. Do you want to show them? This is one of the bones that Nola made.
Oh,
On the
Creative.
skillet.
so
We're going to keep making some bones because we need to make a whole skeleton here.
Kathryn,
But CSU Spur,
I have
yeah.
to tell you, girl, CSU is bringing their game tonight because that is the most creative. I don't want to shoot down our fabulous Corey's heart, but hearts have been done before. Yolanda, I think this is the first time any of our competitors have ever done a bone. So girls,
Oh,
you're
wow,
bringing your
look
game
at
tonight.
that.
I'm just saying.
Oh my gosh, nice.
It was Nola's
Okay.
idea. She's really,
Very
really
nice.
excited about all the fun things that we're going to be able to do at Spur. But CSU Spur, CSU is very, very honored to be a partner with Tepeyac, with the Clinica. I'm a newcomer to the tortilla rolling, but was so excited and so honored to be able to do this. And we are just cooking our bones here. So January is when we're going to open, right, Nola? Yeah, and we also have 2 other buildings opening. We're going to have 3 buildings total, and it's going to be completely free to the community. All the educational programs for kids like Nola here. We're going to be able to access the river. We're going to have kitchen teaching, cooking demonstrations. It's going to be really fun, right, Nola? Yeah, exactly.
All right.
That's
So we've made a
Well,
amazing.
thank you. And it's really wonderful.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay,
We need to hold
let's
that up
have
and-
Nola.
All
Okay,
right.
judges,
Okay,
take a
judges,
look.
there you
Now
go.
remember,
Judging on that.
the judging happens on many different levels, so they're looking at creativity as well. And again, I'm just saying, we have never in the past had a bone tortilla.
All right. Very unique.
we can
Well,
win.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Nola.
Both of you, thank
Don't
you
forget
so
to
much.
vote, everybody. Thank you for your support.
All right,
Mwah.
thank you.